Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're gonna talk about how to add friends in Pokemon Sleep. So it's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So basically here in Pokemon Sleep, you can add friends. You can also connect with your Pokemon Go Plus. So we're gonna only talk about friends here. So here there's a friends button in the left side of your screen. You just press that and then you'll be seeing this interface right here. So to just add friends, basically you go to your top right corner and you will see you have a 50 maximum friend limit. So you just press the one right next to it. It will show you your QR code, your research ID, and you can also scan your 2D code of a friend and enter a research ID code of a friend, or you can search via Facebook. So if you invite your friend to play Pokemon Sleep, just send them your research ID or your QR code to them and let them scan it. So basically that's just how you add or just send friend requests in Pokemon Sleep so you can play with your friends and monitor their progress in Pokemon Sleep too. It's pretty simple. You just have to go to your friends, add friends, and let them scan it. So you can play with your friends, family, and other people. So that's just how you add friends in Pokemon Sleep. If you like this video, thank you for watching and see you again next time.